Hi, dear students. Last class we discussed about the primitive and non-primitive operations on a data structure. Okay, already I am sending a notes. Okay, and with questions also I am sending. Okay, you have to solve 1 and 2 marks questions. Okay, these are all whatever I have given question. These are all appears in the annual exams. Okay, these are very important questions. You have to solve these algorithms. Okay, last class we discussed about the operations on a array. Okay, operations on non-primitive data structure. Okay, operations on array means you see the traversing, sorting, searching. Okay, then insertion and deletion. Okay, these are all non-primitive data structure. In non-primitive data structure you have two types, already you know. Okay, one is a linear data structure, second one is a non-linear data structure. The example for linear data structure, linear means sequential memory locations. Linear data structure array, you know, briefly you know about the operations on array. Okay, operations on array, you have so many algorithms on array. Okay, last class you discuss about this. Then this today class you have to discuss about apart from array you have so many linear data structure also. Okay, you have a linear structure, that is also nothing but one is a stack, queue and the linked list. Stack, queue and linked list, these are also example for linear data structure. Linear data structure. Okay, linear data structure means these have also memory locations. Here also you can store like array elements, you can store elements in a stack. Okay, you can store elements in a stack, you can store elements in a queue, you can store elements in a linked list. Okay, these are also, okay, we can use when you are developing softwares. Okay, when you are developing a software we can use a stack, queue and a linked list. Okay, that how to use these, you know, array. What is the purpose of array? Why we have to use array? Notice, say almost we have to use array when you are doing sorting. If you want to search in a laptop, if you want to search any folder, you have to use array. Okay, for example, if you are in MS Word, if you want to insert any characters, you have to use array. Okay, if you want to delete any elements, okay, from our computer, then we have to use array. Okay, these arrays are almost used in when you are developing softwares. For example, your SMS in mobile also you have a SMS option. Okay, how they build these application, these apps can be built by arrays. They are using array. Okay, there are different okay, array operations already you know. Okay, already 5 operations with algorithms, you know these. Okay, this is last class we discuss about this. Now we have to discuss about stack. These are also linear data structure. Okay, linear data structure. See, what is a stack? Stack nothing but it is also one linear data structure. Linear data structure. Linear data, these are also have memory locations. Okay, linear data structure. See, the stack can be worked. The stack can be worked in the principle of LIFO. LIFO means what? Last in first out. Last in first out. It works on the principle of LIFO. LIFO means last in first out. Okay, last in first out. I will tell you how it is, how it will work. Okay, see, definition of stack. Definition, what is stack? Stack means it is also collection of items or collection of elements. Items means nothing but elements. It is also ordered collection of elements in which item means elements or character, anything. Okay, items can may be inserted and deleted at one end only. At one end, item can be inserted and deleted at one end. That is from top of the stack. That is from top of the stack. That is called what? That is called stack. Stack will be, okay, stack, it is one data structure, it is a linear data structure. It is an example for linear data structure. It is works on the principle of LIFO. In examination they will expand LIFO. Okay, LIFO means last in first out. Okay, which data structure will it works on LIFO technique. Okay, LIFO principle, that is a stack. Stack means last in first out. Last in first out. Write a definition of stack. Stack means it is a order collection of element in which the item may be inserted and deleted at one end. At one end. Okay, that is from top of the stack. For example, I am taking this is one and this is one stack. Okay, this is one stack. I am inserting element here. For example, I am inserting 10. I am inserting 20. I am inserting 30. I am inserting 40. Okay, how many elements in now in stack? This is one stack. In this stack we have 4 elements. How these are inserted? Okay, first inserted 10, then 20, then 30, then 40. If you want to remove the elements, how these are removed? That is very important. One condition is there. If you want to remove, first you have to first 40 will be removed. After that 30 will be removed. After that 20 will be removed. After that 10 will be removed. Okay, last in first out. Last ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 40 ಇದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 40 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 20 ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. 20 ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 20 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ 40 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ 30 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ 20 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್. Okay, this is one you have to remember. That's why stack will be work on the principle of last in first out. Last in first out. Okay, this is you have to remember. Then definition of this is the order collection of elements. Okay, or collection of elements or items in which item may be inserted or deleted from top of the stack only. Okay, top of the stack ಒಂದೇ ಎಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದೇ only from one end it will be deleted, only one end it can be inserted. Okay, it can be inserted. This you have to remember. Okay, this is a concept of stack, how it will work. Okay, always ನೀವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಾಕೋದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಅದೇ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ a stack. Okay, real time example of stack. See, real time example for a stack. What is the stack of plates? Stack of plates means in a mess. Okay, in a mess ಅಲ್ಲಿ plates ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. This is a stack. This is nothing but plates. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲೇಟು ಇದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಗೋತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ದೆನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋತೀರಾ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 3 ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಟರೀಸ್. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟರೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ, 2 ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2 ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿನೂ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Got it? Okay, this is you have to remember. This is a stack. Okay, these are the real time example for stack. Stack means you have to remember last in first out. Last ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this works on the principle of LIFO. Then your definition of stack means the item can be inserted and deleted at one end only. You have to insert the element and delete the element. Okay, insert element and delete the element at one end only. Okay, that is also from top of the stack. That is called what a stack ante definition ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Then next how in computer how to use stack na computer ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Okay, that is very important. How to use stack in a computer. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಹೌ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್? ಸಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ದಿ To reverse the word, you have to use a stack. For example, this is one stack. Okay, this is one stack. In stack, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೀಳಗಿ. Okay, ಬೀಳಗಿ. See, this is a word. I am putting Beelagi. I want to reverse this word. I want to reverse this word. Then first ನಾನು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, Beelagi ಅಂತ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. I want to reverse this word. You know, in stack ನಿಂದ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, last in first out. Last element ಯಾವುದು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, last element that will be come out. Come out ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ I ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ G ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ L, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ I, then B. Okay, to reverse the word, you have to use a stack to reverse the word. Okay, this is, you have to remember, this is a last in first out. Okay, next, second one, in undo mechanism. Undo ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, in MS Word, in MS Excel ಅಲ್ಲಿ undo ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Control Z ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. How to use? For example, see, ನಾನು I want to, you know, see, for example, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, for example, you are writing in MS Word, you are writing computer. Okay, you are writing computer. Okay, computer ನಾನು, for example, I want to do this bold letter ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, in MS Word ಅಲ್ಲಿ bold B ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, B ಅಂತ bold letter ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅವಾಗ ಇಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಫಾಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ನೋ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ Z ಹೊಡಿತೀರಾ. ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ Z ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡೋ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ Z ಹೊಡಿತೀರಾ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಔಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ Z ಕೊಡಿ, ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ Z, ಇಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದನ ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ from the stack. Okay, for this purpose also we have to use a undo mechanism. Okay, undo mechanism na use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Undo mechanism, okay, it is a very best option in a computer, in MS Word and Excel. Okay, for that purpose we have to use a stack. Okay, undo mechanism. Okay, that's why it is last in first out. This is also work on the principle of last in first out. Last in ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? font color, that will be first, it will out. Okay, this is you have to remember. Next we have to use a web design. In web design also we have to use this mechanism. Okay, we can use this stack mechanism. Okay, in a web design, how to use? For example, we have I want to open in Google Chrome. Okay, in internet purpose also we can use this stack principle. For example, I'm just open google.com. Okay, I'm just open google.com. Then in google.com I've just open our website, Bapuji website. In Bapuji website I'm going to gallery. Then after that I'm going to see the photos. Okay, then how it will work? See, first I am going to Google, then Bapuji, then go to see gallery, then photos. I don't want these all. I don't want the photos. Just go to back option. You have a back option. Back ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Photos, it will come out. ದೆನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಬಾಪೂಜಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ google.com. Okay, this is your remember. Then we can use stack in web design also. Okay, web design it works on the principle of a LeFO, and also evaluation of expression in computer. Okay, for example, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, addition operation also we can use a stack principle, and also we can use stack in for quick sort. You know, sorting nothing but what arranging the elements in ascending or descending order. Okay, in that we have a different types of sorting methods. You know already insertion sort, but in quick sort you have to use a concept. Is which concept? Stack concept you can use. You can learn in a degree. This is okay. In examination already so many times questions will be asked. This is asked about 5 marks. Okay, write any 5 applications of stack. Okay, to reverse the word. Okay, to undo mechanism in web design, evaluation of expressions, and quick sort. Okay, we can use this stack. Okay, one thing you have to remember, stack means nothing but LeFO. LeFO means last in first out. It works on the principle of LeFO, last in first out. Okay, ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ different applications. Okay, for different applications we have to use this concept, stack concept. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, if you know these means the concept means that will be very easy to we can easily go for next topic. Okay, this is a stack. Then the next, you know the memory representation of array. Already you know the memory representation of array. Okay, memory representation of array. Then you 1D array and 2D array. Already you know. That means memory representation means how the elements are stored, how the address will be found in a array. Okay, here also memory representation of a stack. Memory representation of stack means how the elements are stored in a stack. This is one stack. I am taking empty stack. Okay, I am taking empty stack here. Okay, how the elements are stored in a empty stack. Okay, that you have to study it. Okay, first I am taking this empty stack. Empty stack ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಖಾಲಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಟಾಪ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1. ಟಾಪ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಫ್ಲೋ. ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. Okay, in the stack there is no elements. Okay, top equal to -1 means in examination they will ask you, okay, what is the condition for stack to overflow? Condition means top equal to -1. Okay, top equal to -1. If stack is full, what is the condition? Stack, for example, I am putting 10 and putting 20 element and 30 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, then 40. Okay, now stack will be full. Just assume that I am taking just 4 elements. When stack is full, then top equal to n minus 1. N minus 1 means, okay, how many elements you have? See, how many elements? 4 elements. 4 elements means, see, top equal to -1 means that is underflow. Top equal to n minus 1 means overflow. It means what? Top equal to n minus means stack is full. Top equal to -1 means this condition is called stack is empty. Stack is empty means you have to put the elements. Okay, stack is overflow means stop to put the elements. Okay, this is these conditions you have to remember. Top equal to n minus 1, top equal to -1. Okay, now first time this is works on the principle of LeFO. Okay, first I am putting 10. Always you have to remember the stack is also works based on array. It uses array. Okay, by using a array of n elements like this same like array, it will also work. First of all, 10, where is 10 will be stored? In S of array, S of 0. S means stack of 0. Next, I am taking 20 comes here from top of the stack, 20 store in S of 1. Then next 30 store in S of 2. Then 40 will be stored in S of 3. Okay. See, then why I am given top equal to n minus 1? N means how many elements you have? 4 elements. 4 elements means see 4 minus 1, 3. See, location. Here top means the location. Okay, top means what? Location. You have a 3, you have a 4 locations. Always array will be start from 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. In S of 0, 10 will be stored. In S of 1, 20, 2, 10. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, here you can add and delete the element in a stack also. You can adding and deleting the element, okay, from stack also. Then already you can inserting the element from top of the stack. You have to delete the element from top of the stack. Okay, this is you have to remember. Then there are 2 operations you have to use in a memory representation of stack. There are 2 operations. One is a push operation, second one is a pop operation. What is push? Push operation means nothing but it is a process of insert item. It is a process of inserting the item. It is a process of inserting the item. Okay, in the stack. It is a process of insert madidre. That operation is called push antarre. Okay, push. Okay, pushing. Okay, see, you are inserting the item into the stack. It is called a push. Then what is pop? Pop means delete. Deleting the item. Okay, deleting the item from a stack. That is called what? That is called pop antarre. Okay, idu nodri stack full aitu. Full aginda first next nanu yav delete madbeku ivaga nimage gottide. Stack means it works on the principle of LIFO. LIFO means last in first out. Last element yavide 40 delete agutte. Next 30 will be deleted. Next 20 will be deleted. Next 10 will be deleted. 10 delete aginda last ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Top equal to -1. Top 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, S of 0 ಕೆಳಗೆ next ಯಾವುದು? -1. -1 means it means what? No element in the stack. Okay, no element in stack means next if you want to add, you can add it. Add up to how much capacity of this stack. For example, if this stack capacity is 4 elements. 4 elements means you can add 4 items. 4 items. Okay, this is you have to remember in examination already so many times. This question will be asked. Explain the memory representation of stack. Just you have to draw the one diagram. Draw the diagram. Just put the top equal to -1, top equal to n-1. Okay, then here stack is memory representation of stack also. It is represented by using array. Okay, in this stack we can add and delete the elements. Okay, next we are see the process of insert item into the stack is called push. Then the process of delete the item from the stack, that is called pop. Okay, pop. This is you have to remember. Then see, if condition top equal to -1 means stack is empty. Stack is empty means that situation is called underflow. That situation is called underflow. Then top equal to n-1. Top equal to n- means that situation is called overflow. That situation is called overflow. This is you have to remember. This is a memory representation of stack. Already in so many times already asked this question. Okay, this is a memory representation of a stack. Okay, first of all you have to know what is the concept. Okay, concept of a stack. ಓಕೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅರೇದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಾರ್ಟಿಂಗು ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಸಿ ಸಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅರೇ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಪುಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾಪ್. ಓಕೆ ಪುಷ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪುಷ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಪ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ stack. Okay, next class we discuss about the operations on a stack. Okay, I'm sending notes, you can read these notes and write the notes. Okay, thank you.